Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a fall clean with me and some decorating. So I'm going to start in our boys' bathroom. It needs a bit of a deep cleaning. There is water stain marks on the sink and like soap scum and stuff like that. So I'm going to get all that cleaned off, toilet, sweep, mop, all the stuff, and then I'm going to head out to the living room and get started there. But I hope you guys stick with me while I get this done, and I hope I am able to provide you with some good cleaning motivation, and let's get started.
It's easy to remember where I started.
My son, a couple of nights ago after football practice, he ran up to me and he gave me this thing of leaves, a little piece of branch that he picked up on his way running to me. And just to have an impact on him, to find me worth, you know, the love and those little extra things that he sees his daddy do, meant a lot to me. And just seeing him, you know, hand it to me, he says, "Here, mommy, I found this on the way. I thought it was pretty like you, and I just wanted to give you something special." And even though it was dried up, you know, a piece of branch, it was a lot. It meant a lot to him to give to me, and because of that, that means so much to me. So I wanted to do a little bit of something for them, and decorating their bathroom is something that I do. Not too feminine, but just enough to get the fall vibe in, or whatever holiday I'm decorating for. And I thought it would be perfect to put those dried leaves in their decoration here in their bathroom, and my son can look up and be, wow, you know, my mom took that to heart, and she's actually using it in her decoration, and it means a lot to her. And I hope it reminds him how much he means to me, that I am doing something like that for him. But I just thought I'd share that with you guys, and let's get to decorating.
But I had to go there. Take me back to the place I'm missing. Oh, I wanna catch a fever in the underground. No amount of nothing that can replace. I remember dreaming, rolling up just to get away. Just to get away. Just to get away. Take me back to the place I'm missing. Oh, I wanna catch a fever in the underground. No amount of nothing that can replace. I remember dreaming, rolling up just to get away. Take me back to the place I'm missing. Oh, I wanna catch a fever in the underground. No amount of nothing that can replace. I remember dreaming, rolling up just to get away. Just to get away. Yesterday's far enough away to take me back to the place I'm missing. Just to get away. Take me back to the place I'm missing. Somewhere in my head I'm still a white knight, flying across the plains into my last fight. Somewhere in my head I'm still a hero, work my way back up from pretty much nothing. This is not that game with the bowling pins. We used to just fight for our lives. And if you die young and are born again, please tell someone why. Well, somewhere in my head I'm still a white knight, flying across the plains until my last fight. Somewhere in my head I'm still a hero, work my way back up from pretty much nothing. There's not much time, but I've got time to see it. There's not much time, but I've got time. In a different place or a different time, it might just all work out with a different word or a different rhyme. You might live at my house. Sing my final battle cry, because somewhere in my head I'm still a white knight, flying across the plains into my last fight. Somewhere in my head I'm still a hero, work my way back up from pretty much nothing. Somewhere in my head I'm still a white knight, flying across the plains into my last fight. Somewhere in my head I'm still a hero, work my way back up from pretty much nothing. Somewhere in my head I'm still a white guy, flying across the plains into my last fight. Somewhere in my head I'm still a hero, work my way back up from pretty much nothing. Somewhere in my head I'm still a white guy, flying across the plains into my last fight. Somewhere in my head I'm still a hero, work my way back up from pretty much nothing.
Alright everyone, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some good cleaning motivation out of it. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button if you are new, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!